guys, it's Maddie with Spectrum Art. Wanted to share with you guys what we've actually created for the fall season, for Thanksgiving, for autumn. Actually, this is a project that we had been working on for the entire I think the whole month of November. Not really, because we were on vacation, mostly October and then a little bit of November. But we've worked on it throughout multiple lives and different sessions and craft days with the girls whenever we go live during the week. And so we've done different elements, but I wanted to share with you how it all just kind of came together and where the idea came from. So let me show you the inspiration where it all started for those of you who had not joined us during those lives. I had gotten this Bow Bunny pack, which is called Beautifully Brisk Collection. And it just has some really fun papers in there. And we still have, look how much we still have left out of that one pad. And we had gotten the coordinating 49-piece ephemera. Yeah, Beautifully Brisk Noteworthy. Let me make sure that I show that to you guys. And these are all the elements that came in this 49-piece. Anyway, we had gotten both of these and we decided, you know what? We're going to challenge ourselves to see how much we can make out of one 6x6 pad and the ephemera pack. And this is what we've come up with. Now, let me show you that I still have quite a bit of this left. Or actually, you know what? Let's go through this and then I'll show you what I have left. So we started first with the ephemera, and what we've done is we've taken those 6x6 pages, and I'll show you, for example, this one right here is a little tiny envelope made with the elements and bits and bobs and pieces that were in there. And it opens this way and this way. And then in here, we've made a little booklet, and it's sewn in, stitched in with tea-dye paper. And I like the fact that we went ahead, since the paper is, it's single-sided, it is not double-sided. Then we went ahead and we actually doubled it up to ensure that, you know, the inside of the envelope really cute. So that was element number one, made with those. You know what, do I have an empty tub? We'll start putting them in there as we go through them together. Then we went ahead and made this corner tuck, and here's the front of it. It's got some lace and some bling, and again, those elements. And this one is kind of interesting. Well, number one, of course, once you put this on the corner of, we'll just grab this and use the back of it. Once you put that on the corner of your book, and then it opens this way so you can still journal in there. But this one ended up being a triple tuck, because once you glue it down, you're gonna have the main tuck, right? Then you're gonna have another tuck in here. And then you're gonna have another tuck. Do I not have something else? Of course I don't. Yes, I do. Yes, I do. I have bits and bobs from the collection. And then you have another tuck in here. So then you'll end up with 3 different places to go ahead and tuck and still have a flip. So that one was kind of really fun to make. That's that one. Then we went ahead and made this larger one. And we inserted a nice big journaling card in there. And to this one, we went ahead and Mod Podged some napkins. Oh, and I forgot, this little one that looks like a little mountain or peak, it's actually a Velcroed, another little tuck spot to go ahead and write some secret messages, right? And it's got this really cool button on it. So that's that one. So you guys are hopefully getting an idea as to just how much you can pull out of one pad to do a whole collection. This is a mini file folder with a little tab. I did distress the edges just to, you know, knock back some of that plain white. And then we made this other envelope right here. This is the back, this is the front. It's tied in with a brad down here and another journaling card. Okay. And I love the fact that this stays on there, so that was fun. And if you guys want to see any of these made, just go ahead and leave a comment down below and let us know. We'll be happy to show you. This is it's got washi tape that says Be Thankful in the front and in the back. You went ahead and stitched it, created a nice loop so that when it's inserted into a pocket, you can go ahead and just pull it by that. But on the inside, we went ahead and used some more of that yummy tea-dyed paper. And we left the loop large enough so that you can actually insert a pencil or a pen if you wanted to in there too, right? For safekeeping. So of course a small one, but there you go. So there's that. Then we went ahead and made this coin envelope. And this is actually, these are two separate tucks. So you have the leaf on the back and the leaf in the front that you can tuck into. There's the back, and then here's the inside. Once again, we went ahead and made, we traced it and covered the inside so that when you open up that flap, it looks pretty. And then you have a journaling card in there as well. You see how much stuff we got? Oh, then we went ahead and made this. This is one of those flip. So this actually gets glued on the back. You see how it looks on the back. Not that it couldn't be left this way, but you glue this onto your page and then it flips up just so that you can journal and add a picture in here as well. Oh, and we left this, I just remembered. We left this so it could also be a tuck in there. So you can still tuck stuff in there. How beautiful leaves grow old. How full of light and color are their last days. John Burroughs. That's pretty. I like how I have, you guys see the reflection. Oh, I've got nail polish on me. You guys see the reflection from the window? It's kind of perfect for this morning. Then, of course, we've got this really cute tag, which has been machine sewn, and it's just a little tuck with some leaves, those elements in there, okay? And then finally, we went ahead and made this pocket window. It does have, I don't know if you guys can see the reflection, but it's got the, oh my goodness, that film, I can't think of the name now. Why is it that whenever you film, your brain just decides to go on vacation? It's amazing. Okay, anyway, so it is a windowed pocket. And again, we use the banner and the elements and the paper on the inside, and you have this like really cool bookmark that slides in and out. So there's that element. So all of those, and then we went ahead and created this to go ahead and use it, to use all those elements in. This is basically a ginormous matchbook. How cool is that? And we used a file folder. If you guys want to see how to make these, just go ahead and leave a comment down below. It is attached, so when you do the ribbon, it's actually attached with a brad. It stays put. It is permanent. The ribbon is just an added element because it looks so pretty, and it's that delicious chocolate brown, but it's actually magnetized. So, you know, we don't really need it, but you know, if you are going to overstuff it and it's going to get super full and the magnet might not hold, you can always just go ahead and use the ribbon closure. And like I said, it just looks pretty, doesn't it? So this is the front and this is the back. And then on the inside, we went ahead and this is the top flap, and it does have a pocket in here with a large journaling card, okay? And then on the back, it also has another one. Well, I'll show you in a second. So you still have all of this, and I was thinking, let me show you the ephemera that we still have left from that 49-piece pack. You have all of these still left, and I was thinking maybe some of these big elements like this one, wouldn't that be perfect right there? Oh, it could be. So, but again, it could be a picture, it could be anything you wanted. And then of course here on this side, what we did is we went ahead and used one of those clasps, and we hid it when we actually, see, you can kind of see it through there. We went ahead and hid it using that back cover. So you want to do that before you actually cover. And again, we can share with you guys how we did this. And we inserted lots of tea paper, but we also went ahead and used our 6x6 paper to create these jumbo dividers almost, but they're double pockets, and I'll show you here in a second. Oh, and by the way, this could be used this way as well. You know that, right? I mean, if you wanted to flip this way instead, you could. So these are ginormous pockets. Oh, where's that one that I can show you using this one? Perfect, because it's got the little, see? So you got these really nice pockets, but you still have room to journal. And like I said, they're double-sided, so there's pockets on both sides, and you've got some tea-dyed paper, then another one of those, more tea-dyed paper. So I use them as dividers. And then some more. And then we get to the back, and in the back we have another large journaling card as well. So hopefully this gives you some ideas. And what I like about this too, of course, is that you can always refill, right? If you need to add more paper or remove paper, or want to change them around, you know, you always can add or take away papers. So that is what we've created. We still have, as I mentioned, plenty of ephemera left. Look at all these pieces from the collection. And these, of course, are going to be beautiful for just going back in and just decorating, right? Decorating these pages, creating some corner tucks in there. And then we can go ahead and insert all the lovelies that we've made. So we've got all this ephemera left to make more tags, more pockets. Look at that one. This is a really pretty collection. Oh, look, you can even use this in the front to decorate as a banner. So lots of possibilities still left. And of course, we still have the two deer, which I kind of saved because I love them so much that I was like, oh my gosh, they're so pretty. They got to go somewhere special. Oh, look at that. Yeah, we'll use them somewhere special. And we still have all of this paper. I don't throw anything away. So we saved all these bits and pieces that we still have for tags, for journaling cards, for belly bands, for whatever. So, and then of course, pieces of the ribbons and the lace that we've used. Here's some more. So we've got all of this still left. And don't forget, we still have the pad, right? We still have plenty of paper in here as well. I could probably make two of those. Yeah, definitely. I could make 2 full books with all the ephemera out of one 6x6 paper pad. So I hope that this has given you guys some ideas, and you know, break out those 6x6 pads and make something fun. Make yourself a whole bunch of collections and ephemeras, and then a nice journal to go with it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed it. If you have, please give us a thumbs up, and we will see you guys soon. Happy Thanksgiving, everyone. Blessings. Bye.